So, welcome friends once again. Today I am here to LNS Infotex Solutions. What the topic today I will showing you? Specialist topics is how to handle the overflow div and how to handle the image, or it may be two sides that are we wanted to show in one line. So now let's start. So before starts, I request to all of the viewers, don't forget to subscribe. So now let's start. Here I am setting some styles with the body, and I want to handle the overflow div. Suppose my text is so much of large in that files. Suppose I am setting the div. Here is some text. And that text is too much large, but I wanted to handle that text within a very short size. Let us suppose to see here that I am setting suppose for this particular div. How can I handle this? Is within the width 200 and height is supposed to be 50 pixels. Overflow auto. So what we can see here, the text will be coming in the scroll fashions. If I am setting the overflow visible, that means the whatever the content in the overflow, that will be visible like that. In some of the cases we are using this fashions also, that is auto fashions, that is overflow should be handled in the auto. Suppose you are not giving it auto, I am just setting it height is set up to like that, so you can clearly understand how this scroll fashion is doing. Here is some text like that. If you wanted to show in the scroll fashion or some more and more content within the particular one div, you wanted to control within a small parts, so that particular overflow funda will be used. Now suppose you are understanding, hope you are understanding this. Now let's come to the next topics. What is the float left and float right? Float left and float right. Sometimes we are using the table and sometimes we are using float. So when we are using float, when we are using table, suppose I want a two div in a one line, or two para in a one line, or two sections in a one line like that, or two images in a one line. In that case, what we are doing? Suppose I am setting this as a class name to be float. You can give any class name, that class name is not restricted. And here I am also setting this float to be float right supposed to be. What are the happening here? Suppose I am setting the dot to be float is set up to float right, and now supposed to be I am setting dot to be float is set up to float left. What will be the output? Okay, this here showing the YouTube's and Google's. These two blocks are coming into one line. You can set up the width also so that they can view the clearly in the margins. I will again show you. This will be the 11 and this will be the 22. Suppose like that. This one div and this is another div. Both are viewing in one line. In this way, in these lectures or in these tutorials, we are viewing in shortly how to set up the float left, float right easily. Instead of using the table, you can also set up the float. But in some cases, table also required. We will see in the next lectures how the table will also work, and then and also what I am saying, the overflow, how to handle the overflow of a div. In some cases more and more text are increasing, but I wanted to show within the small height in the scroll fashion, so that we are using the div. So friends, thank you for watching. If you are facing any query, or you might be not understanding some topics, or if you have any some other questions, you can comment into the comment box. Don't forget it to subscribe our channels to keep continuously watching and keep it updating from us. So friends, thank you for watching our channels. Have a good day. Bye bye.